Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make custom ringtones for your iPhone. And that is a TikTok you see right there. Yes. Okay, now this was requested by a subscriber a while ago. I tried finding that exact comment that they commented, requesting it. I couldn't find it, so whoever it was, here's this video. Go ahead before I get started, subscribe, like the video if you found this useful, and let's get going. So there are three main apps you're gonna need. Well, actually two, but two main apps you're gonna need: GarageBand and this app called MP3 Converter. Now how it works is that you go ahead, hop on your phone, screen record anything you want. Usually, like if there's like a theme song of something that I want to like make as a ringtone, I go ahead and just like screen record it and then just like put it into GarageBand. But I'm gonna show you guys. So first I'm gonna go ahead and open up my camera and just gonna go ahead and just do something weird. Subscribe. So I got the video of me saying subscribe. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open up MP3 Converter. Now you guys can see up on there that I'm typing MP3 Converter. This is what the app looks like. It should just be a little purple circle with MP3. Don't worry, this is all 100% free, so you can get it. Anyways, go ahead, click on the plus, import from camera roll. It'll open up, tap on the video with the audio that you want, and then tap on it. Scroll down, you'll find the convert button. Go ahead, click on convert. No, I'm not gonna rate it. Anyways, once you have it open, once you click on convert, it should open this up. Click on ringtone. Then once it opens, you go ahead and try to find GarageBand. GarageBand is made by Apple, so you guys should be able to just go ahead and just use it right away. So once you have it open, you should find it right like to the very left. So you go ahead, open it. And as you guys can see, subscribe. So now all you have to do is to exit it. Now this is the important part, watch carefully. Tap and hold on it, tap on share, ringtone, and then name it anything you want. Let's go ahead and then you click on export. Now it's going to go ahead and export it, and then it's going to say ringtones export successful. Now you can just click on OK or use sound as, and then you can go ahead and choose as standard ringtone, standard text tone, assigned to context. Now I'm not going to change it, but once that's done, literally all you have to do, go into your settings. I'm going to blur a lot of this out. Go to your settings, scroll down, go to sound and haptics, scroll down, and then we're going to go ahead and go to ringtone, and then if we scroll down, subscribe right here. If I tap on it, you guys should be able to hear it.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
See? Just like that. It's pretty much that easy. And 100% free. You guys can do it. Literally. And oh yes, one more thing you know. Ringtones for iPhones, it will only let you export at least 30 seconds of any sound that you've added to this. If it's any longer, it's going to say it's too long, we're going to cut it short. I don't know which end of the audio it cuts short, the end or the beginning, I don't know. You guys can find out for yourselves. Android users, I don't know how to do this on Android, so. But yeah, that's how you do it. And yeah. Thank you for watching today's video. This hopefully was useful to you. And if you guys enjoyed it, like I said, like the video, subscribe, and keep an eye out for any future live streams or videos I post. Without anything else to say, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. And bonus feature, this is one of my ringtones that I currently use right now. It makes a perfect ringtone.